So today I'm going to show you a very simple updo inspired by the French twist. I will start by combing the hair with my hands, with my fingers, pulling it up in my hand, very loose. If I need to, I can use a little bit of hairspray. Then I use the softest hairspray that we have, fixing hairspray, because this one is easy to brush out. It will just give a little texture. Now this is important. So when you hold the hair straight out, quite far away from yourself, then just twist it in and take a couple of pins and just squeeze it in there. Just turn it and push it in. Now I have a few things hanging. I will deal with those. But now, after putting a couple of pins in, you have to see what you have first. Maybe you want to loosen some of the pieces. I think these are very nice, hanging actually. But I would love to have a little hair here on the sides, hanging down. Pulling that out. And now I can use, together with the hairspray and my fingers, I will just take a few pieces and pull them out. A few pieces here that I think are nice, that can be just soft on the surface. So now I'm going to use hairpins to put the small hairs in, to just make some details in the hair. But if you're not used to working with hairpins, you can use bobby pins. And these are like clips that you can place in and they actually get stuck in the hair. So these are really, really handy if you're not used to working with the hairpins. So, for example, here, I just want to take this hair, I want to take it in, place it right there, push in the bobby pin, and the hair is gone. So the important thing is here to just put some pins in, just go a little crazy. It doesn't have to be perfect. So if, for example, I can just take some hair, take a big pin and just squeeze it in there. And if I want to, I can also very easily use a hot iron, for example, to make this a little bit more curled, just to play around with the pieces I have. All right, here we are, a messy French twist.